So back in 2021, we had the opportunity to apply for like a cooperative ecosystem studies unit opportunity within the Navy. And so the project involves coral bleaching and crown-of-thorns starfish monitoring. We tapped Dr. Ciemon Caballes to be the COT expert. And so he was able to do workshops, and we got the Navy dive locker folks to participate in the workshop. And we did the same thing in CNMI as well.
Today's workshop is to look at crown-of-thorns starfish populations around Guam. Crown-of-thorns starfish outbreaks is still one of the main sources of coral mortality apart from coral bleaching. We're only trying to mitigate all sources of coral mortality. For this project, we're working with the Guam Coral Reef Initiative. They're helping us with the surveys. Within UOG, I'm also working with Sea Grant. We're also working with CIS and also with EPSCoR.